Peterbilt long haul tractor. Decided to make this one into a stake bed. Yeah, I got a hankering for them. Decided to use the Soil and Terrain brands, a fictitious company. That's just like a fictitious generator there. I thought I'd put that on there. So these are reflective stickers actually. I tried getting these super single wheels. They're wide in place of the dual wheels. I tried to put it on the front there because they're wider, but they're smaller in diameter. I didn't like the way that looks, so I went back to these. So there you go. The wheelbase is actually the same. I didn't have to extend the chassis at all. That's the actual wheelbase of it. So hopefully you'll see this at the NNL West Small Car Show.